Over the past 75 years, Colorado's electric cooperatives have built the power plants and strung the wires needed to deliver affordable and reliable electricity to rural Colorado. From Craig to Cortez, and from Sterling to Springfield, we energize farms and ranches, homes and businesses, even ballparks and rodeo arenas. Today, changes are underway that will impact how we keep the lights on in the 21st century. Renewable energy, energy efficiency, distributed generation, and other innovations, new technologies are changing the way we provide power. Are we up to the challenge of this new energy model? Absolutely.
This is really an exciting time for Colorado's electric co-ops. All across the state, co-ops are integrating renewable energy projects and adopting energy efficiency programs to benefit their member owners. We're adopting the latest in innovation and technologies to help our member owners and to keep the lights on.
Colorado's electric co-ops are investing in a wide variety of renewable energy projects in our own backyards, including community solar gardens, local wind farms, small hydro facilities, biomass plants, and methane capture and utilization. In eastern Colorado, United Power has integrated solar power into its energy portfolio with a unique utility-scale project called Hangar 160.
Most large solar fields are either connected to the high voltage transmission lines and out in some remote location far from where the actual energy is used, or these large solar farms are actually connected to the large loads that they serve. This is unique because the energy is being put onto the distribution lines at a lower voltage, and it actually goes onto the grid and travels down that line and serves the homes that are in this general area.
Co-ops like United Power and Holy Cross Energy were the first utilities in Colorado to develop community solar gardens, providing their members the opportunity to harness the sun's energy without having to install equipment on their own property.
What we are looking at here is the Garfield County Airport Solar Array. This facility right here is 858 kW. There are probably 160 to maybe 200 Holy Cross customers that benefit from this array.
Similar solar projects dot co-op service areas across the state as electric co-ops continue to take advantage of one of Colorado's most plentiful renewable energy resources. On Colorado's western slope, Delta Montrose Electric is using one of nature's original power resources, water, to generate electricity. The South Canal Hydro Project recently began producing power for the co-op's members, fulfilling a vision that began more than 100 years ago.
It's an in-stream project. And you can see where we put a gate where we block the canal off, and then we divert the water off to the side through a penstock, and it goes down through a low head hydro and then right back into the canals.
This is 4 megawatts. If we couple that with our second site, about 1.5 miles downstream, another 3.5 megawatts. So a total maximum capacity when flows are at their highest of 7.5 megawatts and approximately 25 to 30 million kilowatt hours in a year. That equates to enough electricity to feed about 3,000 average homes in DMEA's service area.
Colorado's electric co-ops have brought a variety of small hydro projects online, developing facilities at existing dams or run-of-river projects that rely on the natural flow of a river or canal. Holy Cross Energy and Delta Montrose Electric have teamed up on another unique generation project, capturing previously wasted methane gas at the Elk Creek coal mine and using it to generate power.
So it's basically taking gas that's being vented at atmospheric pressure, elevating it to 3 or 4 pounds of pressure, chilling it to knock out free water and cooling it a little bit, and providing it in a combustible format for the engines.
The electricity is used to power area ski lifts and snowmaking operations. United Power developed its Methane to Megawatts project, capturing waste gas produced at the town of Erie's landfill to generate enough clean energy to power more than 3,300 homes.
The things that we look at is working together with the communities that we serve on these types of projects if they provide value for our member customers and they're good for the environment and they're good for the local communities, we will commit to supporting these types of projects.
Another example of a co-op effectively using waste materials to produce energy is the Eagle Valley Biomass Plant in Gypsum, where beetle kill timber and other woody biomass is used as fuel to produce electricity.
This biomass plant, I believe it's the first in Colorado, and what this represents is innovation, taking that pine beetle kill, you grabbing the wood from it, but taking the waste back here and burning it for energy.
While individual electric co-ops throughout the state are developing local renewable energy projects, many of them also receive green power through the electricity purchased from their power supplier, Tri-State Generation, and Transmission Association.
Yeah, I would say our whole member service territory is very rich in renewable resources, whether that's wind, solar, hydro on the western slope of Colorado. Some areas of our membership have geothermal resources. So we are very fortunate in that our members have very rich renewable resources.
Colorado's co-ops also are at the forefront of electric utility research and development, applying new innovations and proven technological advancements when commercially viable, such as at Poudre Valley REA, one of many co-ops that has implemented automated metering technology.
The automated meter infrastructure that started in 2009 as a pilot project is allowing us to not only get reads from our members, but it communicates back to us when our members have lost power. Another big thing we found with this is it's providing back to us some of data of where our weak spots are within our system, because we're able to see outages before they even take place.
While the way we provide electricity continues to evolve, so does the way in which we use electricity. Colorado's electric co-ops have long championed energy efficiency products, programs, and services. From rebates on energy-efficient appliances, lighting, and electric motors, to energy audits and workshops, we are helping our members save money by using electricity as wisely as possible, such as a project completed at a large dairy operation served by Morgan County REA.
Just alone in the parlor, we're going to be saving $1,500 a year in the lighting. With the free heaters, we're going to save about $10,000 in natural gas. So with the lights and the free heaters, we've got a total savings of $15,000 a year.
Between electric and natural gas, it's huge. For them, it's a big expense. So any chance they can get to save annually, it's a big saving.
Colorado's electric cooperatives have been keeping the lights on for more than 75 years. With hard work, ingenuity, and adaptability, we'll continue to energize communities across Colorado for the next 75 years. Innovation, power, community. We are Colorado's electric cooperatives.